You've probably already heard about the people who've been making a living off of affiliate marketing, right? They're everywhere online. And while most of you probably think that they can do it because they already have a following, well, not everyone in affiliate marketing does. So don't close this video just yet because I'm about to teach you a clever way to make huge recurring profits from affiliate links without a following and without being an influencer. It's a simple strategy that will allow you to get leads and build income easily. It's really simple and you can start making money by doing this today. Welcome to part 2 of our last video where we taught you how to leverage Google Ads as an affiliate marketer without being an influencer or without having a following on social media. So if you haven't already seen that, we'll make sure to leave links in the description box below. And if you're here for part 2, well, thanks for staying tuned. And we've received so many DMs from you and we'll try to answer your questions in today's video. So here we'll talk more about how to sign up as an affiliate marketer, how to create a campaign on Google Ads, plus some bonus insider hacks that will show you how to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars on affiliate commissions each month. All of that is coming up in this video, so make sure you keep watching until the end to get your hands on all of that information. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and comment because that really supports our channel. And that's it. Let's get right to the video. In part 1 of this video, I already told you about Capterra, where you can check all the available software that you can potentially earn from as an affiliate. Now in this video, let me show you how after you've selected the program you're interested in, you can easily sign up for them. We used ConvertKit as our example in video 1, and for the sake of continuity, let's use the same example here. So you'll want to type in convertkit.com on Google, and from the home page, you want to scroll down to the bottom where you'll find a link that says affiliate program. Okay, there it is. Click on that button and you'll be taken to their affiliate page where you can sign up. Okay, when you're here, just make sure you complete all the details, and you shouldn't have to wait very long to receive your affiliate link. It should look something like this. Okay, so when you have that, I highly suggest that you take the time to review all the terms and conditions before proceeding to the next step. Why? Well, it's because while companies will share similar terms and conditions, there will be some factors that will differ too. This can have to do with the restrictions, and you want to be very careful and read up on the SEA and PPC policies to avoid any penalties or the revocation of your affiliate link. And if there's something that's unclear, you'll want to get in touch with the merchant directly to avoid any miscommunications. Like I taught you, keyword research is of the utmost importance when doing a Google ad campaign. Without doing proper research before running your campaign, you wouldn't be able to access the warm leads that we talked about before, thereby wasting the money that you'll be spending on your campaign. So besides using Google Ads' built-in keyword research tool that I told you about in part 1, again, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Let me give you a bonus and show you another free tool that you can use for this. Let's also visit this other free site, and it's called Answer the Public. Here we want to search for all the relevant keywords related to ConvertKit or email marketing while making sure that we avoid all of the restricted words. Okay, so let's head over to answerthepublic.com right now and type email marketing and see what comes up. Here, there are a ton of keyword ideas that you can use to give you warm leads who are ready to purchase software, just like ConvertKit, thus giving your ad campaign more bang for its buck. Hold on guys, this video isn't over. I promised more bonus tips on how you can succeed in affiliate marketing without being an influencer and without a following on social media, so let me do that right now. Bonus tip number 1, leverage Quora. Google seems to think of Quora as an authority because a lot of the times when you search for a question in Google, a Quora result will likely appear on the first page. And you know what? You can leverage this to your advantage by answering questions on Quora that are related to the software you're promoting. Just format the answer in such a way that it can rank as one of the top answers and then promote your links there. Bonus tip number 2, create a review on medium.com about your affiliate product and also promote your link. Bonus tip number 3, join Facebook groups and promote your links there. Remember, the more related the content is to the traffic source's target audience, the higher the chance for a sale. Bonus tip number 4. To be able to partner with more software products as an affiliate, create a simple landing page that can help you build a list that you can resell, cross-sell, and upsell to. This is honestly the best practice in affiliate marketing, although it does take a little more work. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that if you find something that doesn't convert, oh well, then simply get another software to partner with. And if you keep at it, you're sure to find something that will work for you and your target audience. With that said, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also, check out the other videos on our channel to keep yourself both educated and updated on the best ways to make money online. Alrighty then, signing off until the next one.